Orange! Boy squad! Check this out! It's a giant Hercules beetle. Wow. Oh my gosh, they've got a... It looks like Beetles is their main exhibit at this place. Oh, look at all... Look at the size of this. Hercules beetles. Oh my, stag beetles. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff down there. Okay, wait, let's go step by step. Let's calm down, Mikey. Okay, we have scarab beetles here. Look at that. I think the Philippines has one of these. I'm gonna look for this kind. Look, like a comparison of hand size. Like, seriously, look at the size of this. Huge. You got stag beetles. By the way, these are like scarab beetles. I have said this over and over again. Get this, of all the animals we've ever discovered, right? About half of them are insects, and about half of those are beetles. So can you imagine? Over a quarter of all the species of animals we've ever discovered in history are beetles. Isn't that incredible? Look at the diversity of beetles. Seriously, beautiful. Look at those colors. You got Goliath beetles here, the longhorn beetle, I guess. Oh my gosh, lepidopterans. You see butterflies and moths. A butterfly with like see-through wings. Wow, blue morpho. Awesome. Look at this praying mantis and all the eggs she's laid. Oh man, I miss having a praying mantis. All you Ants Canada followers, were you there when we introduced a mantis into the Hacienda del Dorado and we lost it? We thought it had been eaten or it escaped, and then later I found it again. Awesome. Let's hear. Oh, there's another praying mantis up there. I wonder if that's a male and that's the female. I'm not sure. I can't read Japanese. Oh, look at this. This is another praying mantis, but it looks like some dead leaves. You would totally miss this in the forest. Wow. OMG, this place is a dream. Another praying mantis. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at this praying mantis. Wow. Look at the colors. Beautiful. OMG, look at the size of this beetle. That's massive. Another praying mantis that looks like an orchid. You see that? Wow, look at this exhibit. OMG, I would love to keep an ant colony in here. But here you will find stick insects, apparently. Let's see if we can find some. Where are ya? Oh, hard to find. OMG, it was right in front of our face and I didn't see it. This is why they are masters of disguise. Do you guys see it? It's right here. This thing here that looks like a random stick, it's not. It's a stick insect. Wow, that was like finding Where's Waldo. Holy, look at the size of this stag beetle. Oh man, I would not want to put my fingers in those jaws. Wow, this stag beetle's eating beetle jelly. Yummy. I love that this Insectarium displays a lot of living creatures. Holy, look at the jaws of this beetle. Wow, I can't get over it. Look at all of these stag beetles. I could stay here all day. Look at, awesome, right? Unbelievable. Wow. Look at this setup, guys. It's a firefly setup, but there are no fireflies. I guess because it's daytime still. Interesting though. Look at how huge that terrarium is. Man, I would love to keep a massive ant colony in a terrarium like that. I'm getting some inspirations for the Mabuhay Squad house, guys. Oh, look at the size of this beetle. Wow, those horns are crazy. Unbelievable, they're like scissors. Oh my, they're insane. Wow, look at that, guys. This is beetle heaven. Look how huge that is. These ones, I believe we have them in the Philippines. Oh man, imagine the rhino beetle games with this. Oh man. Guys, this beetle collection is so extensive. These beetles just look like warriors. You know what I'm saying? I would love to watch them battle. We got a Mexican red-kneed tarantula there. All right, we've got a dead butterfly exhibit here and beetles. Oh, like a bunch of stuff. Turtle, more butterflies, beetles. Wow, beetle. Imagine one of those flying by your face. Seriously. And guys, look, it's the angel of death, a toad. Such cute salamanders. Are these red-bellied salamanders? They're so cute. Adorable. You got diving beetle right there, you see? You can see them at the top. They breathe air, but they live aquatic lives. See? Their legs are like paddle boats. So cool. awesome setup. Man, I would love to have a setup of diving beetles. Wow, this place is massive. Look. OMG. Look at this setup, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this paludarium. Oh my. It's got fish. I see fish. And it's got diving beetles. And it's got shrimp. Oh, what a dream. Oh my gosh. And look at all of these beetles on the surface. Oh my. Wow. A snail. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Ants Canada goals right here. Oh, and this plant is alive. This is a real plant. And look at oh my, look at this moss. The Java moss. It's growing on this driftwood. Oh, this is a beautiful setup. Wow. Oh my, it's amazing. Look at that, guys. Isn't this amazing? All you Ants Canada followers, I'm sure you guys understand why I'm tripping out right now. I'm sure you guys are too. Oh my, oh, look at that. Did it eat? What, is it trying to mate? Oh, see that? I think the diving beetles are trying to mate. Oh my, how interesting. Oh wow, look at how gorgeous this moss is here. Growing on that wood. And the shrimps just grazing on it. Oh, it's what a cool setup. Seriously. Look guys, if you're moving around, you will never see all the insects. But if you look carefully, you see that? There's a grasshopper, a mantis, another mantis, another katydid, mantis. Wow. Here is a huge collection of dead insects. Beautiful butterflies. You see this? Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, nature is truly an impressive designer and artist. You know what I'm saying? Oh guys, apparently Nami says we can touch the insects in this room. Let's go. We're allowed in? Oh my god, we could just help ourselves in like this? Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. Are they just roaming free? I feel like I'm in a jungle. They're just free roaming. My, look at the size of this beetle. It's just a moth. Oh, wait a sec. Oh my, what? It just sits there all day? What? I'm blown away by this. Go ahead, Nami, touch it. You mean you can pick it up? Oh my gosh. I can't believe, like no one is even supervising. Nami, I'm very proud of you for picking that up. Oh my. Oh. Are you afraid? Yeah, okay. Oh my. Oh, it is quite large. I can't get over this, guys. Like, you can fully, like, handle the beetles. Wow, it's crazy. I mean, I'm sure this thing is nocturnal if it's like my other scarab beetles, so it's not so active, but I can't believe it's just like lying here, like on this branch for the public to hold. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Here you go, beetle. Yes, enjoy life in the open. Okay guys, this one's next. Nami, are you going to pick that up? I'm very impressed if you will. Oh my gosh, she's gonna do it, guys. Oh, it's strong.
It's really strong.
Oh, those legs are kind of spiny. Oh, this thing has a grip and a half. OMG, look at that, guys. Can't get over the fact that we could just hold these beetles. Like seriously, guys, look at that. Isn't that just amazing? We don't need to look for aliens. We've got alien-looking beings right here on Earth. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. Is that not the most incredible thing you've ever seen? Oh, if you could be involved in the Rhino Beetle games, this would be so neat. Oh, you are so strong. Guys, I'd like you to meet Mr. Hagiwara. Yes, konnichiwa. How is it that the beetles don't fly around? Because it seems like they just stay in place. Ah, they're nocturnal. I thought so, guys. Okay, so they're active at night, so during the day they're sleeping. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. You should go back to sleep. Okay, wow. Wow, Nami, I am so proud of you. There. No, it doesn't hurt. Oh my, oh, it's got quite the grip. That is so neat. This is, oh my gosh, look at the size of this one. This is massive. I'm gonna actually touch a Hercules beetle. Oh my, oh my. Wow, guys, this is the first time in my life I've ever touched them. This is a dream. I used to like have flashcards of insects, and this very beetle was on one of those flashcards, and it was my favorite beetle ever. Oh yeah, be gentle. Look at those spines and the horns. Oh my, oh my, oh my. What a gorgeous insect, guys. Look at this. Oh, unbelievable. You see that? Look at how gorgeous this is. Okay, so this is a male, and these males will fight for territory, food, space, and like the right to mate with females. So they have these like jousting matches. And I guess for Hercules beetles like this one, the aim of their wrestling matches is to try to like pick up the other and throw it off this branch. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I wish I could bring you to the rhino beetle games. You would smoke all the rhino beetles I have. Oh my gosh, and I didn't know it was hairy. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's got like hairs under here. Oh my, it's like, oh, it's like a brush. It's so velvety under here. Oh my, so when it picks up another beetle, it's still soft. It's not all hard. Wow. Unbelievable. This blows my mind. Oh my gosh, there are beetles everywhere. Okay, we need to move on. So, in case you guys didn't know, keeping large beetles like this is a very common activity here in Japan. Usually, young boys keep beetles like this, and they raise them from just larvae. Now, if you're not following the Ants Canada channel and you find this all cool, you must follow the Ants Canada channel, because right now the Rhino Beetle Games is happening, and it's basically a series where we're learning about scarab beetles like this one here. Wow, look at these stag beetles. Oh my gosh, look at that one. I can't believe these are free for us to touch and stuff. I mean, like, what happens if our fingers get caught in there? OMG, guys, I'm gonna try to pick up this stag beetle. I'm gonna try. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm holding a stag beetle. Oh, wow, look at those mandibles. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. Ow! It bit me. See those jaws? Isn't that crazy? Oh my. Oh, isn't that unbelievable? That's crazy. So, with these stag beetles, it's the same. The males will wrestle over territory, a food source, and like for the right to breed with females. So this is a male. And I guess it's the same. They and then throw them off the piece of wood. Wow, is that not just the coolest thing ever, guys? Wow, 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 wow. Yay, kids are here. Awesome. See, this is much more purposeful than the rides outside. Seriously, I'm gonna put this back now. Oh my gosh, these kids are so cute. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. This man has the best job in the world. RJ, we're filming here. Okay. The Ants Canada episode. OMG, this is so cool. Okay, I gotta conceptualize how it's going to be told, the story. They love fish. They like the taste of umami. Oh my god, look at them. They love that. It's their sashimi. These beetles, these diving beetles love their fish. Oh my, look at, they're getting violent. There's a lot of them. Oh my gosh. Holy, they're coming from everywhere now. They're coming out of the woodwork. Literally. Oh my, wow. Holy, wow, and they're such a beautiful olive color. They almost look like roaches. And can you imagine? They breathe air. They need to come to the surface to get air every now and then. Like, they don't have gills. OMG, guys. Okay, so just filmed a ton of footage. Oh, I'm sure you Ellsie family have seen the video. Did you like it? Did you like it? Yeah. Aren't the Beetles just amazing? You can watch the video here. I'll put an iCard there. Oh, wow. Man, this place. I could be here all day. Seriously. Rip me away from this place. That was so cool, that exhibit. Wow, I can't believe we can actually hold the beetles. Like, it seems like here in Japan they're not so caught up on like, you know, lawsuits, right? I mean, North Americans, if one of those beetles pricked one of their kids' fingers, oh, you better believe they'll be hopping on the opportunity to like file a lawsuit against this place. But it seems like here in Japan they're a lot more chill, and maybe could it be the culture? They're a lot more honest and there's an honor system. I don't know. Could this be a cultural thing? But look, now kids could totally come here and touch the beetles. I think that's totally amazing. Okay guys, and so here's the rest of the theme park. It's just a normal theme park, but we gotta go. Sorry, spent too much time in that Insectarium. RJ, did you like the Insectarium?
Yeah, that's nice.
He was bored. Oh my god, is that true? Okay, I was just talking to Nami about how it's so reflective of Japanese culture that they would have a touching like beetle exhibit, right? Because like, you know, Japanese people would never sue a place like that if their kid got pricked. And she just said the man who runs that beetle exhibit said that he feels it's important that the kids get pricked or bitten by the insect, because that's how they learn.
Yeah, that's how they learn. That's part of your life.
That's part of your life lesson. Oh my gosh, you see? And look guys, another thing too is when we bought the ticket, no one is here taking the tickets. They just assume you went ahead and paid and that you're honest, you know? Honestly. Wow. That really says a lot about Japan. It really does. So Nami was saying that, you know, in most places in the world, you can touch these beetles, but there's always a supervisor there to say, don't do this, don't do that. But the philosophy of that place and the man who runs that place is teach the kids to be independent right at a young age. So whether that means they're gonna get bit or, you know what I mean, or pricked by the spines of those beetles, the kids should learn to, you know, stand on their own feet and play with bugs on their own, just like I did when I was a kid. Oh my, like the kids are not sheltered, you understand? They're not kept in a protective bubble. Mind blown. Japan, you blow my mind. Oh my! Wow, here in Japan too, speaking of which, parents don't take their kids to school. Really? The kids just go to school on their own?
Yeah, they can.
At what age? At 6 years old? That's... Huh? That's first grade?
They will just walk.
Wow, that's independence for you. Really? At age 6, they're walking by themselves to school. Japan blew my mind. OMG guys, look at how beautiful this field of purple flowers is. Just amazing. I need to take an Instagram photo. Alright guys, we're going to the top of the tallest tower in Tokyo. This place is called Skytree. Skytree. I can't wait. What do you think? OMG. It's beautiful. Oh boys, but look.